All right, now that you've finished all your problems, we're going to go through some answers. So in this first problem, it's already a log. So if we want to exchange it into an exponential problem, the first thing we're going to actually do is we're going to drop the log. Now the base in this case is 9, and 9 is going to continue to be the base. And then the two things I'm going to be flopping right here is going to be this y right here in this x. So this is going to be 9 to the y power equals x. All right, our next one is starting in exponential form, so it wants to turn into log form. So our base is still 10 right here, and we're going to go ahead and add log, keep our base of 10, and once again these two are the ones that swap, right? So this is going to be x equals, and this is going to be to the y power. All right, our third one on our paper is in the form of log, and it would like to be an exponential form. So this one is a little harder because now I'm getting this whole entire thing right here. Let me go ahead and highlight that area for you. This right here, okay, this x plus 1. Well, this x plus 1 in parentheses is going to represent this part right here of our log, the x right here, okay? So it moves as a whole entire unit. And we can see this to be written like this. So the base here is 6, okay? And because we're going from log to exponential, the log goes bye-bye. And the two things we're swapping are going to be both of these. So this is going to be x plus 1 over here equals 6 to the y. And that was weird. Now this one also has a whole unit right here of 2x that needs to be moved all together. Okay, so this little area right here, let me go ahead and underline that. That's going to be moved all together. And once again, starting in exponential form, moving into logarithm form, that means that we're going to add the word log. Our base here of 5 is going to remain our base. And then these two are the ones that are going to switch. So this becomes 2x, and this becomes to the y. All right, so now we're going to move on to the second part of our worksheet down here where it says let's determine how to put these into our calculator. And that's all great, and we can use a calculator, and that would be awesome. However, I think you guys can do this without a calculator. Like I said, log is just a specific way to ask a question. So this one right here is asking the question of 7 to the what power equals 49. So what is 7 to the what power? What is that going to equal? Well, 7 to the 7 times 7 equals 49, right? So that means 7 to the second power will equal 49. Now continue the rest of these and load the next video to check your answers.